Okay, YouTube, Savage Addict here. I'm currently running marathon, 1700 milliamp hour. Not bad. It's better than using regular AAA batteries, but I'm going with some high voltage servos. Start off with, we're going to try out this JXT servo, high voltage, 6210 mg. Specs on this one. .13 seconds and 11.22 kilograms. I don't remember exactly. I think it was like 100 and maybe 150. Ounce of torque or whatever it is in standard. Next we have high-tech HS 5496. This is a 0.15 and 99 ounces. So this will be my throttle. This will be my steering. It's a little quicker, a little stronger. And power it all up. Now when I looked this up, I typed in Losi Lipo receiver pack. This is what it took me to. And so, it's a little harder with one hand. So when I put this, there it is. When I put this in here, it is a really tight fit. Get this to turn sideways. There, fits a bit like that. So, if I can get that to fit, but the cover that they give you for the lipo. So the cover they give you for the lipo doesn't fit. This cover here doesn't fit. The battery is too big for the tray, but it's not going to stop me from using it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a Velcro strap. For now, until I get one, I'll use a zip tie. But I get a Velcro strap and just strap it in there. I don't plan on running it through any harsh conditions like water, snow, or anything like that, mud. So I'm not worried about it getting wet. A little dirt ain't gonna hurt it, but alright. So now I'm gonna pull this out, install my servos, and we'll check back in. So I just wanted to note, I love the way Losi designs their electronics tray. You can take it out, put it all together, and then reinstall in the car. So easy. Love it. Okay, here's the finished product. Use the Velcro strap off of my Ruckus battery holder. Universal strap there, so I'm just wrapped it around here. Tighten the screw down so the strap isn't going to go anywhere. And it seems like the battery's going to hold it airtight. Made this wire here a little bit longer out of the box, just pulled a little more through. Make the connection up here so the battery's not pinching it there. think that's gonna work out just fine. There's my high tech. See if I can get zoomed in here or focused. So yeah, anyways, high tech. Let's see. The JX 6210. And just like all my vehicles now, I'm running off of the Radio Link RC4G. So here's the throttle. Pretty quick response time. And I've set the EPAs. Trying to, so the servo's not overworking itself. Here's the steering. So quiet. I run a bunch of Savox servos and they're noisy. So it's nice having these quiet ones. I had put it on the carpet and tried it, and it's got pretty good torque. Turns on the carpet just fine. So that is my high voltage servo Losi 8. So we're going to turn that off. And if we look on here, so my XL, my throttle servo went out. It was just the cheap Traxxas 2075, I think it was. So I decided, because it came with the Lipo, the steering servo is a Savox 1271, and it's high voltage. Oh, I don't know if I can get a... It's another JX 5932. This is basically the 30 kilogram. So with that, like I said, I'm running a Savox. Running a Savox 1271. So, same controller. So my Savage XL high voltage servos run a Lipo receiver pack. And it's the JXT 5932, I think. I set the EPAs on it so that it's not overdoing itself, but if I turn the brakes down any further, they don't grab, so. Torquing speed is just ridiculous on this thing. Alright, so there's my two main vehicles, both with high voltage servos running Lipo batteries. The speed and torque is just outrageous. Can't wait till the weather gets a little nicer and I can go run them. See exactly how they perform. So, but I've seen some good reviews on them, so when I finally get to run them, I'll do some reviews and let you know what I think. Alrighty, hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.